Dear students of class 12 new, I am Mahabubi Alam, senior lecturer, Department of ICT, Milestone College. Today we all are in a critical moment. For this reason, we continue our classes from distance. We cannot continue our classes in our classroom for COVID-19, and I think you are follow our online classes regularly, and if there is some doubt, please call to your subject teacher. Our today's topics is, you see, area of a triangle where three sides are equal or three sides are same. This type of triangle is known as equilateral triangle. There are different types of triangle, and one is equilateral triangle where three sides are same. For example, we can say this is a equilateral triangle. Here A, B, C is a triangle and its size is A. It may be 2 centimeter or 3 centimeter, but all sides are same. The area of this triangle is √3 by 4 A into A square unit. This is a triangle and area is √3 by 4 A into A. That means √3 by 4 A square unit. This is the formula. If you want to do any flowchart or algorithm or program or pseudocode, at first you have to know the common formula or mathematical formula. If you don't know the mathematical formula, you cannot do any flowchart or any algorithm. So at first you have to know the main formula or mathematical formula. Now we will go for flowchart and algorithm. At first we will do our flowchart, and then if we write the instructions sequentially, then it will be a algorithm. Now flowchart. Start. This is starting symbol. You already know it, and input will be only A because all sides are same, A. And then area will be √3 by 4 A into A into A. A into A. That means A square. Finally, output will be area. End. Arrow. This arrow sign is very important. If you do not give this sign, then your flowchart will be incomplete. So start, input, process, output, end. Now algorithm. Just I will write the instructions sequentially. Step 1, start. Step 2, input A. Step 3, area equal to √3 by 4 A into A. Print area. End. This is the algorithm. I have just write step 1 start, step 2 input A, step 3 area equal to √3 by 4 A into A, and step 4 print area, step 5 end. So dear students, now you will write in your copy. If you do not write it in your copy, then you will forget it. To memorize it and to understand it properly, you have to write it in your copy. And after completing this, I will give you a homework to do it by yourself. Write out a flowchart and algorithm. Write down a flowchart and algorithm to find out the area of a circle. And algorithm. Write down a flowchart and algorithm to find out the area of a circle where radius is 2 centimeter. Here radius is given. So you will complete this homework and send to your subject teacher. If there is some problem to understand my lecture, you will ask to your subject teacher to understand it properly. Thank you everybody.